A key principle of just-in-time manufacturing is the receipt of parts just as they are needed for the assembly process. Suppliers must time their processes and shipments to assure that they meet the tight schedules required by their manufacturing customers. Piolax is a parts supplier to leading automotive manufacturers, including Nissan, Honda, and General Motors, among others. Based in Japan, Piolax has operated a manufacturing plant in Canton, Georgia for around 30 years, where it produces mold-injected plastic parts, metal springs, clips, coils, harness ties, and other interior trim components for automotive plants throughout North and South America. The company has experienced tremendous year-over-year growth during the past decade, so much so that its former distribution center could no longer keep up with demand. That's why Piolax constructed this new building in September of 2016. At the heart of this highly automated facility is an ASRS, an automated storage and retrieval system. The system stores finished parts until they are ready to ship.
This new facility came about because we needed more space. We were up against a full warehouse next door where we leased a facility, and we also wanted to improve our safety. So because we had a limited amount of real estate available to us next door to our plastics facility, we decided to go with an ASRS to maximize all the possible space that we had available to us. By going vertical with our warehouse, we were able to accommodate our distribution center, our customer service area, and our assembly departments, and still had room to accomplish all the other things that we wanted to do.
Being Japanese-based, Piolax had experience with Daifuku's extensive line of material handling systems at many of its production and distribution facilities overseas. It was an easy choice to select Daifuku and its American subsidiary, Winwright, to supply the automation for this project.
I'm very happy to say that the equipment works great. Our employees have benefited from it immensely. They know how to use it, but we are much more efficient and productive today than we were 6 months ago. The equipment itself, it really requires very little maintenance.
The process starts at receiving, where parts from the adjacent manufacturing plant, as well as parts from other Piolax plants worldwide, arrive at docks. Forklifts carry pallets to induction stations, where they move onto STVs, sorting transfer vehicles. The system contains 7 of the STVs that run on rails in a loop to quickly and very quietly service the various automated systems. These pallets are heading to the automated storage and retrieval system. The ASRS has 5 aisles that are each around 60 feet long. 5 cranes operate in the system to pick up the pallets and take them to more than 5,000 storage positions in racks that are 8 levels high. 3 of the aisles contain double deep racking. The cranes deposit the pallets into their assigned storage positions. Piolax also uses Winwright's WinSoft Warehouse RX software to manage the automation and many of the warehouse functions. This software integrates seamlessly with Piolax's SAP software systems. When product is needed, the cranes gather pallets holding those parts. The pallets then transfer to the STVs, where they are swiftly taken to 5 picking stations. The pallets roll off of the STVs into staging positions, where 2 workers build customer orders. Overhead monitors and wrist scanners combine to direct case picking from these 5 source pallets to 10 staged order pallets. New pallets come and go as different products are needed. The STVs take pallets with remaining product back to the ASRS until they are needed again. Once all products have been selected for an order or a pallet is full, the worker pushes it off onto a gravity-fed accumulation conveyor. A forklift then gathers the pallet for loading onto outbound trucks destined to arrive just in time at the automotive manufacturing plants. Since moving to this new facility, Piolax appreciates the improved handling, productivity gains, and labor savings that the Daifuku Winwright systems have brought to its distribution operations.
This system has a throughput of 100 pallets an hour. So with that being said, we are now able to pick a full day's load with 2 pickers on our picking deck per shift rather than the 3, 4, or 5 that we had in our previous facility. On the other hand as well, putting away our goods. We used to have anywhere from 4 to 6 people daily putting away our product into our warehouse. We accomplished that today with 2 guys. It's a humongous difference. We are able to do so much more in such much less amount of time, and we're able to give more attention to other activities that impact our quality, not just our processes of moving product in and out of the warehouse. Another thing that we've experienced is increased safety. Because we have a new ASRS, our forklift fleet is 50% smaller than it was 6 months ago. That's less forklifts traveling in the warehouse, less chance for a pedestrian to become injured. Between productivity and efficiency and safety, we've had huge gains in the last 6-7 months.